Hey, Shelly here with Shelly Can Help, and this month is all about dressings. And today I am going to start with my take on a basic vinaigrette. It's a very good staple. You can use it as a marinade. You can use it as a dressing. You can actually even put it on a sandwich if you want. I believe that making our own dressings gives us the power to know exactly what's in our dressing. So many times, those dressings on this shelf are loaded with preservatives and junk. When you make your own dressing, you know exactly what you're getting, and it makes you feel good knowing I made that in less than 5 minutes. I believe that whole, real ingredients is the answer to our health, and I believe our health starts in the kitchen. So let's get started with my take on a vinaigrette. Let's do this.